As part of an initiative to understand the challenges associated with decarbonising existing commercial buildings that EA Technology are undertaking in collaboration with the Cheshire and Warrington Local Enterprise Partnership, we've installed 10 22 kilowatt EV charge points outside our headquarters building in Cheshire. The 10 EV charge points will be available for the use of our staff and visitors. The new charge points provided enough electricity to drive over 4,000 miles in their first 2 months of use. They will be an important element of our smart building system. The EV charge points are controlled by a back office system that allows us to manage their electrical load and maximise the energy utilisation from our own solar PV panels. In the future, increased electrification of our building's energy requirements may take us closer to our network connection capacity agreement. Being able to control the EV charge points will provide a mechanism to quickly reduce our load if necessary. To find out more, please visit the EA Technology website.